have some amazing Dollar Tree jackpot finds for you right now, including this lavender scented Spic and Span. Where has this been my entire life? My Dollar Tree just recently started carrying this, but I have some really clever uses for this that you can use in your home. Oh my word, Dollar Tree, you have outdone yourself. This car storage pocket. I've seen this on Amazon. I have seen this on Temu. I have seen this everywhere, but not for a price point of $1.25. By the way, nothing in this video is sponsored, and no, Dollar Tree does not pay me to say this. There are two pockets. If you wanted, you could cut this down the middle to make it bigger. Inside here, we have a pretty decent sized compartment to store all kinds of goodies. A couple ways I'm going to show you how to use this. And then we have some snaps. I love this. They're not too long. They're not too short. So depending upon what your needs are, you could wrap it around a couple times. Here in the back seat of my vehicle, I basically live in my vehicle from 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. carting kids around. Now my daughter has access to all of her things. How about by your bedside? Do you want to put a notebook in there, a remote control, a phone, an iPad, basically anything that you might need? Speaking of your vehicle and being out and about, how about this mobile gaming grip handle? I've never seen this before. If you're at a restaurant with your kids and you just want to eat your meal, grab one of these. These phone pockets. This retails on Amazon for just under $10 in such cute designs that they have at Dollar Tree. Oh, these beautiful hand soaps. They look so sleek. You could also put these in a gift basket. How about this adjustable zipper waist trimmer? Really, $1.25 for this. Now, I can't say that I tried it, but I will say on Amazon, this retails over $20. Let us know if you have. How about some hair mayo? I've never put hair mayo in my hair. It seems a little strange, but Dollar Tree is selling it, and so is Amazon. And here we are, the beautiful scented Spic and Span. I'm going to show you several ways to use this. Grab a Dollar Tree paintbrush. Yes, that's exactly what it is. How about this compartment right here that houses all of your laundry detergent, bleach, fabric softeners, you name it. It can tend to collect a lot of mold. If you saw my recent 5 brilliant home hacks video, you will have seen all the mold that was up in here. But if you just want some routine maintenance cleaning, this paintbrush works amazing. Spray your Spic and Span in there, rinse it out if you want to, and you are good to go. Use that same Dollar Tree paintbrush. I believe that 2 or 3 come in a pack, and you can get way back in there. Yes, I was able to get to the back of the laundry detergent compartment. It houses all the fun things that you can use to launder your clothing. You can see here on the back all the different ways to use this and the proper way. What I want to really show you is that you can use this for mold and mildew. Many of you complain that you have this in your shower, and yes, my friend, I also experience this. You know, that pink stuff that likes to accumulate all around the perimeter and oftentimes in your sink drains if they're not cleaned enough. Just spray some Spic and Span in there as a routine cleaner, and because this is not too pungent of a smell, it works great. And then our workout area, oh yes, these mats tend to get real nasty. I like to clean them at least once a week from all the sweat and the bottom of shoes and those yoga mats. I take this to the gym, and gosh knows was on those floors of the gym with hundreds of people coming in and out. But just a great easy way to clean, and it smells fantastic. You're killing bacteria, you're feeling wonderful, and it cuts grease and grime. You could pretty much clean your entire bathroom with this one product alone. Inside, outside your toilet, you can clean your floors, you can clean your sink, you can clean your showers, anything. It's like a miracle bathroom household product. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on this one, or if you also love some Spic and Span cleaner. I have to say this works just as well as almost any bathroom product that I've used other than ones containing bleach. Yes, I do love me some bleach because it works fantastic, and I have to say I do love the smell of bleach. I know that I cannot be alone on that one. This is excellent for cleaning your toilet brush. Yes, it's kind of like cleaning your washing machine. It washes the things, and cleaning your dishwasher. Well, it's great to clean your toilet brush, especially if you have lingering smells in your bathroom. Just spray a bunch on there and you are good to go. Your cleaning gloves also need some love. So a quick, easy way to do that is spray down those cleaning gloves, and your recycling and outdoor garbage. This gets touched all the time, putting bags in and out. Want to kill that bacteria and make coming into your house smell even better. It's excellent for your indoor garbage cans as well, in a bathroom, in a kitchen, in a pantry, in a mudroom, you name it. How about some door handles? Stinky shoes with 6 people in this house. Our entryway starts to accumulate quite a bunch of critters, I would imagine. I love fall, all things fall and pumpkin spice. So these fall themed baskets are just gorgeous. Now, I do not need any more. I have quite a stash in my organizing collection. But if you are in the hunt to organize a space around your home, fall themed, then I love these. So many different options. And then these fancy pillowcase covers. These retail much higher on Amazon. I know they can get pricey if you just want to change out your pillowcases. So these fancy ones for those throw pillows, I was like, heck to the yes. And then I had to share this with you. I love doing yoga in the evenings. This yoga zen skeleton, I almost bought these, but I'm trying to limit the amount of things that I bring into my home, especially because we will be moving, hopefully in the near future. I also really wanted to get these very beautiful ramekin shaped things used in your kitchen, but I like these for drop trays for keys and chapsticks and little different trinkets that you have in and around your home for just $1.25. And of course, you certainly can use this in your kitchen. I use it all the time, especially if I have some excess grapes or strawberries or produce, and they look great in your refrigerator. Now it's time to show you some Dollar Tree organization gems in action. I don't like to just talk about the items. I like to really show you how I use them on an everyday basis. So I showed these in a previous video. They're great for organizing toys and craft supplies and hair things, anything that you want to be able to carry to and from. So my son has all of these Bakugan, blade sort of things, however you say it. And then my daughter has all of these magnet tiles. And I thought I want a great way for them to be able to move them throughout the home. And look at that. This is fantastic. It's going to be much easier for them to keep organized moving forward. And because the magnet tiles are quite heavy, it was starting to ruin my bins. You know, they pull them out, drag them around the house. Nope, not anymore. And look at how nice and organized all of these toys are now. It makes my organizational heart happy. I want to give you a quick before of my basement. I know many of you are going to be appalled. We have things in closets and corners that were hidden when we moved very quickly into this home that have not been touched in about 1.5 years, but we're hoping to get an au pair to help us out with all of our kids and their activities. So it was perfect motivation to clean it out, and I wanted to use some amazing Dollar Tree items. So I'm also going to show you the after, sort of the part 3 of this basement. It is not fully completed, but it is a good step in the right direction. This basement now has stations, my daughter's station, my son's station, my workout area. And then this is the room that we are hoping to use for guests and potentially and au pair. So stay tuned for this transformation. All the items in here were purchased from Walmart and on a budget. And of course, I will be incorporating any Dollar Tree items that are worthwhile. Do you have a ton of canvas prints? Here's a little trick for you. Yes, I've accumulated these over 9 years. I no longer want to save them because they just take up space, and I'm all about maximizing the space. So what I actually did when it came to this is I just took a picture of all the canvas prints and put it in a file on my phone. And then we're just going to use some spray paint, or we could burn these or whatever we want to, or recycle them. Here's another little sneak peek of the basement. We have our workout area where I do the filming for Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. And then we also have a study desk area that I'm currently working on for puzzles and for my kids and for the potential au pair. And here's under the stairs. We cleared all of this out. Now my kids can easily pull their toys in and out, and they love playing back there, which is so much fun. No, this is not a Dollar Tree item. This cart is amazing. Recently, well, I should say several months ago, they had it at Aldi, but I did get this one on Amazon as well, but it's great for storing all your craft supplies, and for my daughter, you know, all those LOL and Barbie things that tend to add up.
And then just a couple of pieces that really brought this space together. This chair is from Drew Barrymore from Walmart. I'm loving it. And then these prints I just ordered on Amazon. I'll link these below in the description box just in case you're interested or looking to refresh a space in your home. Moving forward, if I need a little quiet time from my family, I'm just gonna sneak down to the basement and take a nice little nap in this super comfy chair. These long white bin organizers from Dollar Tree are fantastic for organizing drawers and small spaces. Usually 3 come in a pack. I used it to organize all of our scissors. Otherwise, they were just kind of thrown about inside of this cabinet. Because it's contained now, it just looks so much more organized. And then how about some medical related supplies, Vaseline, a thermometer, some eye cream, and then yes, this container is from the Dollar Tree for organizing all of our nails. It is so handy, and I love that it has a lid on it. That way you can easily stack things on top should you want to. Let's get this drawer in my bathroom organized using some Dollar Tree items. You can see it's not too horribly bad. I tend to be more minimal when it comes to things, at least in my opinion. I know everybody has a different threshold for that. So this section acrylic organizer I absolutely love. I keep these on hand. And this little vacuum is from Temu. I purchased several of these because I love them. I will link those Temu videos in the description box below just in case you are interested. But let's go to town, get this organized. Organizing can be so satisfying because it's kind of like a game of Tetris. A lot of times you move things around a few times until you settle on the placement that you want. And then you live in it for a little while and then you change it up again to keep things interesting. Oh, and this ice cube tray, yep, that's from Dollar Tree. I love organizing my necklaces in it, and then they do not get tangled, and then I can quickly put them away. How about some easy tape? Dollar Tree does sell something very similar, and they call it space tape, but you can use this to keep all the items in your drawer from sliding around. A little does go a long way, so I would err on the side of caution and just use a little bit less. I've used this on carpeting, I've used this on hardwood floor, I've used it everywhere. Do not, I repeat, do not use it on your walls. It will take the paint off. I listened to somebody else who told me to use it on my walls, and yep, I experienced that. So I do not want you to have to deal with repainting different things in your home. But this drawer is looking so gorgeous. I'm loving it, and it's actually the next day, and I could not wait to open and close this drawer. Strange, but so true, and much easier to maintain.
Let me know in that comments box below what your favorite item was. Also, make sure that you sign up for the free weekly cleaning and organizing newsletter that is linked in that description box below. And if you want to see some more Dollar Tree hidden gems and home hacks, click this video. But if you want some organization, motivation, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.